we're going to subtract 4-digit numbers all the way into the thousands column. Still using K-pop notes, regrouping rule never changes. If you can't subtract in a column, regroup 1 from the next column to the left and turn it into 10 of the smaller notes. Remember, 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equals 10. 10 tens equals 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And 10 100s equals 1000. Order matters. 4,612 minus 2,758 is very different to 2,758 minus 4,612. So always write the number you're taking away from at the top and align the numbers. Now let's tackle 4,612 minus 2,758. So you have 2 ones, that's not enough. We take this 10 from the left column on the left, and we want to change it into ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's happened is we now have 0 tens. That may change, obviously, and 12 ones. We want to take 8 away from the 12. You probably already know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves us as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the tens column we have 0, but let's change that. Take 100, so that's now 5, and we'll change it into 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 minus 5, 2 times 5 is 10, so we know it's going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leaving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 7 we can't do, so we have to take one of our thousandths. Because the counting system is in tens, we do 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just enough. That's 15. Take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And oh, this was changed to 3, wasn't it? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's 1,854. Here's some practice questions. 7,403 minus 2,689. 8,250 minus 4,987. 9,100 minus 5,674. Pause the video and then we'll come back and go through them. So for our 7,403, we have 3 ones, that's not enough. We go look to the left column, but there's nothing in there marked by 0. So we take from the hundreds. So we take 1 100, which means this will become 3. And we'll swap it for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I'm not going to write 10, I'm actually going to write 9 because I'm going to take straight away, I'm going to exchange this into ones. But it was 10 and then it became 9, yeah? So now we'll do 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which means that we have 13. Minus the 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 4 left. 9 minus 8 we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaves us with 1. 3 minus 6. Ooh, we can't do that. So we have to go into the thousand to the left and take 10 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the thousands is now, we've got 6 of those, and we've got 13 hundreds. So I'm going to take away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then our 6 minus the 2, take 2 away, and we've got 4. So you should have got 4,740. So now let's look at 8,250 minus 4,987. We have a 0 in the ones place. Slightly. So we need to take from the tens place. So 110 is 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can take away the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That leaves us with 3. So we did that. Now we have 4 minus 8 we can't do, so we need to take 1 out of 100's place. Let's swap it for 10 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which leaves us with 14. And I'll take away the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, just put it in here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 100 we need to take away 100 we need to take away 9, so we're going to take out 1 from the thousands, so this becomes 7, and swap it for 10 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is 11 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 2. And then we have 7 thousands. So I can go for 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves 3. So you just should have got 3,260. So I've got 9,100. We have nothing in the ones, we need to take on 4. We have nothing in the tens, so we have to take from the hundreds. So at the moment, that's going to be a 0. And we're going to swap that 110 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we also need it in the ones column, so we're going to take 1 10 out and swap it for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should leave us to a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have 9 tens minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 2. And we have no 100s because we took that one. So now we're going to take 1 1000 and swap it for 10 100s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should leave us with 4. And then we have 8 minus 5, which should leave us with 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaving us with 3. So you have 3,426. If you followed every regroup, moving value from thousands to hundreds, hundreds to tens, and tens to ones when needed, You're now confident with 4-digit regrouping subtraction. You can look at the links below to look for more regrouping exercises and resources.